Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens and Pixels Reviews, your home for the latest in photography gear. Today, we're diving into the best Leica cameras of 2025, and leading the lineup is the stunning Leica M11 digital rangefinder camera. This beauty blends iconic Leica design with cutting-edge features that photographers are raving about. Let's check out why the Leica M11 might just be the camera to rule 2025. Leica M11. First up, let's talk about the features. The Leica M11 packs a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, offering exceptional detail, sharpness, and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or street photography, this camera delivers images with unmatched clarity. What's more, the M11 gives you three resolution options: 60 megapixels, 36 megapixels, and 18 megapixels, so you can optimize file sizes without sacrificing quality when needed. It's versatile for both pros and enthusiasts. Now, let's talk design. The Leica M11 carries the legendary Leica look, a minimalist, compact rangefinder body crafted from premium materials, including aluminum and magnesium alloy. It's lightweight yet solid, making it perfect for travel and on-the-go shooting. It feels amazing in hand. And of course, the manual controls and optical viewfinder provide that tactile analog experience that Leica shooters love. The M11 also features an impressive battery life, allowing you to shoot longer without interruptions, a big upgrade from previous models. Plus, it's equipped with USB-C connectivity for faster charging and file transfer. Add in built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you've got seamless integration for your workflow. Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 compact digital camera is a perfect blend of powerful performance and portability, making it the ideal choice for photographers who demand both quality and convenience. Featuring a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, the Q3 delivers exceptional image clarity, detail, and dynamic range, ensuring stunning results whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or street scenes. Its fast and precise autofocus system allows you to capture fleeting moments effortlessly, while the fixed 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens provides sharp, vibrant images even in low light. The Q3 supports 8K video recording, giving creators a tool for capturing cinematic quality footage. Designed for versatility, it includes an intuitive tilting touchscreen, seamless USB-C charging, and advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for easy file transfers and remote control. With its sleek, compact, and lightweight design, the Leica Q3 is the ultimate travel companion for photographers and videographers who want premium performance in a stylish, pocket-sized package. Leica D-Lux 8. The Leica D-Lux 8 digital camera is a versatile and stylish compact powerhouse, perfect for photographers seeking exceptional performance in a portable design. Featuring a large 4/3-inch sensor, the D-Lux 8 delivers stunning image quality with rich detail, impressive dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance. Paired with a fast 24 to 75mm f1.7 to 2.8 zoom lens, it provides flexibility for everything from wide-angle landscapes to portrait photography, ensuring sharp and vibrant results. With 4K video recording capabilities, the D-Lux 8 is equally suited for capturing high-resolution stills and cinematic quality footage. Its user-friendly interface, intuitive controls, and high-resolution electronic viewfinder make shooting effortless and enjoyable for beginners and pros alike. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can quickly transfer files and control the camera remotely via your smartphone. Compact, lightweight, and beautifully designed with Leica's renowned craftsmanship, the D-Lux 8 is the ideal all-in-one camera for travel, street photography, and everyday moments. Leica SL2-S. The Leica SL2-S mirrorless digital camera is a robust and versatile full-frame powerhouse, designed to deliver exceptional performance for both photographers and videographers. Featuring a 24.6-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, the SL2-S captures stunning images with incredible detail, rich colors, and impressive dynamic range, even in low-light conditions. With its lightning-fast autofocus system and up to 25 frames per second continuous shooting, it's perfect for capturing action, portraits, and professional work with precision. On the video front, the SL2-S excels with 10-bit 4K/60p recording, providing cinema-quality footage and flexible post-production options. Its 5-axis image stabilization ensures sharp and steady results for both stills and video, even during handheld shooting. The rugged magnesium alloy body, paired with weather sealing, makes the SL2-S durable and ready for demanding environments. Featuring USB-C connectivity, dual SD card slots, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth integration, it offers seamless workflow and connectivity for pros. Combining exceptional image quality, intuitive controls, and Leica's legendary craftsmanship, the SL2-S is the ultimate mirrorless camera for creatives who demand uncompromising performance and versatility. Leica Sofort 2. The Leica Sofort 2 digital and instant photo camera seamlessly combines the charm of instant photography with modern digital features, making it a versatile and stylish choice for capturing and sharing life's moments. Equipped with a bright LCD display for easy composition and previewing, the Sofort 2 lets you shoot with confidence and creativity. It features 2 shutter releases for convenient vertical or horizontal shooting, ensuring flexibility in capturing your perfect shot. With 10 creative lens effects and multiple shooting modes, you can add unique, artistic flair to your photos effortlessly. The Sofort 2 supports instant printing, allowing you to produce physical prints on demand while also saving your images digitally for future use. Integration with the Leica Photos app enhances your experience, enabling you to transfer images seamlessly to your smartphone, print stored digital photos, and share memories instantly. Compact, lightweight, and beautifully designed with Leica's iconic aesthetics, the Sofort 2 is the ideal companion for photographers who love blending modern convenience with the nostalgic joy of instant photography. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best Leica cameras of 2025. Whether you're drawn to the compact Leica Q3, the powerful SL2-S mirrorless, the versatile D-Lux 8, or the fun and creative Sofort 2, there's a Leica camera for every photographer out there. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated on the latest photography gear, and let me know in the comments which Leica camera you're most excited about. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.